Hi everybody, welcome to the Patent Beast podcast. I'm Bob Fish from Fish IP Law in Irvine, California. You might know me as the person who created my alter ego here, Patent Beast. On this podcast, we break down everything happening in the world of intellectual property. We're talking about fun things that I've learned over 35 years of being a patent attorney.
You know, people think that a patent attorney just writes down what the invention is. That's really very far from the truth. The point is that a lot of times it depends on how you look at an invention as to whether or not you can patent it. So one thing I tend to talk about is that, let's say this is what you invented, right? This is a rectangle. This is a diamond. If I roll the paper up, it's a tube. It's all the same piece of paper. It just depends how you talk about it. One of the most interesting things I can talk about is an invention from several years ago. A woman came to me with this idea of helping people invent. So the idea was that they would talk between the two or three of them, and the computer would figure out what they're talking about, change it into text, send it off to basically Google, and come back with other ideas. So for example, they're talking about monkeys, maybe it would come back and say, oh, you should talk about bananas. Well, the patent office said that was bananas. They said, that's ridiculous. You can't possibly patent that. However, we said it's a biofeedback machine. What? It's a biofeedback machine. What's happening is you're expressing something with your voice. The system is looking at that expression, doing something to it, and feeding something back to you. That's what biofeedback is. Well, that's what she came up with. So we filed it as a biofeedback machine, and the patent office granted us 2 patents on it. Just depends how you look at it as to whether or not it's patentable. Thanks for watching. I'm Bob Fish, along with my Patent Beast. If you're ready to start patenting or need help with other intellectual property, copyright, trademark, trade secrets, we're ready to help you.